All right, everybody. I'm so excited to announce this next performer. So, I actually had the pleasure of meeting her a few months ago, and right when I heard her, I was like, we need her at Backyard Sessions. Like, we can't like not have her here. So, I'm going to introduce Jen Mana. So she is in my phone here. Jen Mana is a rising R&B artist known for her soulful voice and captivating performances. She built a platform for singing covers on TikTok, amazing over 100,000 followers. Like, what the heck? Can we give a round of applause for that? Because, like, it's hard out there, right? A contestant on season 21 of American Idol, Jen has released a few of her songs on all streaming platforms, which you guys should listen to because they're fire. With help from her producer, Napbass, you can expect more songs to look forward to that are in the works for future releases. Hailing from Orlando, her heartfelt lyrics and smooth melodies resonate deeply with listeners worldwide. Can we give a round of applause for Jen Mana, please, and her beautiful band?
Alright, so I've got some songs ready for you guys, some originals. I love to sing and I love to make music, and I have about like 3 songs released right now. All of it's in the works. Again, this guy right here helps me a lot with my music. We have a lot of fun with it, but we also have some covers prepared for you, so hopefully you can sing along with me. But the first song is actually the first song that I released onto everything, so this one's a pretty fun one. This one's about a complicated situation that happens a lot in our generation. It's called a situationship, and if you can relate, I'm sorry, but here we go. Everyone's ready? You got it.
Crazy how we got in this position. Even we were under these conditions. Started off as friends, talking out and then to living in my head. Into this whole addiction, baby, you were hitting up my line like we were dating. Situation getting complicated. Mutual that love just wasn't my thing. But I loved calling you my baby. From there we stayed up on the phone. You hit me up when you were alone. Friends out in public, lovers in peace. People would ask and I didn't believe. But we knew what's up stayed between us. No, we begin.